here's how you can change your Twitter username on your mobile device. It's actually really easy to do, so let's get into it. We're going to first go ahead and go into our Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then you want to simply go into the search bar and then just type in Twitter. So essentially you want to click on Twitter and then update the Twitter app to the latest version, so that way you can follow all my steps correctly and not miss out on any single points. Otherwise, it's not going to work if you don't have the same version as me. So once you have it completely updated, we just go ahead and click on the Twitter app and then open it up. Now you want to click on your profile picture on the top left hand corner. And then from here, you have this option that says profile, which is the first option at the very top. So go ahead and click on that option. And then now, as you can see, my name currently says Daniel, which has been my name for a very long time. Now, if you want to change on that, you want to simply click on the edit profile button on the top right hand corner. And as you can see, it says name Daniel. Go ahead and click on that and delete our name. And then now you can change it. As you can see, your name cannot be blank, so you actually have to change it to something. So let's change it to like Fredward. And then once you have changed your name, click on the save button on the top right hand corner. And as you can see, just like that, our name on our Twitter account has been changed.